Let's take a look at this question from Workbook 3. Kalila Winston worked for a software company for 26 years. She became permanently disabled and could no longer keep her job. She was 52 years old and had planned to work until she was 62. Her final annual salary was $43,000 and her rate of benefits is 2%. What is Kalila's monthly disability benefit to the nearest dollar? Okay, as always, start by identifying what you're solving for. Okay, it seems like an obvious step, but we don't always take the time to do it. So we're solving for her monthly disability benefit to the nearest dollar. Okay, so first, think about the information that's given and collect any equations that might be useful. So I don't have an equation for monthly disability, but I do have one for annual disability. So I'm going to write that down. So annual disability benefit is equal to the years worked plus expected retirement age minus present age, so when she actually retired, all of that multiplied by, so we'll go on to the next line, multiplied by her rate multiplied by her final average salary. So again, her annual disability is equal to years worked plus expected retirement age minus present age, multiplied by that rate, multiplied by final average salary. Now, this isn't going to get us a monthly disability though, right? This is only going to get us to annual. So if we think about it, how would we go from annual to monthly disability? Well, it makes sense that we would just take whatever the annual disability was and divide by 12, right? So this isn't necessarily an equation that was given to me. I'm just using kind of my reasoning here to figure out that if I know how much she makes a year, I can convert that into a monthly amount. So let's start working on this annual disability equation. So her annual disability benefit is equal to years worked. Okay, well, they tell us that she worked for this company for 26 years, plus expected retirement age. She was expected to retire at 62, but actually retired at 52. So we subtract off 52. We multiply that by her rate of benefits, which is 2%, of course, convert it to a decimal, and then by her present salary. So we're taking the years she worked plus the difference of the years she meant to work and didn't. We multiply by the rate of benefits and by the annual salary. So if we simplify, that gives us an annual disability benefit of $30,960. Now this is annual and I want monthly. So to get my monthly disability amount, I take $30,960 and divide by 12, which gives a monthly disability benefit of $2,580. So again, begin by identifying what it is you're solving for, in this case a monthly disability. Use the context of the question to grab any equations that you need. In this case, we used annual disability and then converted it into monthly. Then plug in the information you know, solve for your variables, and simplify in order to find that monthly disability benefit.